Hello, this is Anthony Striglia with Striglia Enterprises. I wanted to show a mod I did today for a customer regarding an installation address that a lot of orders that they do, they need to install. I shouldn't say a lot, but some orders they do, they need to install, or they have an installation price and agreement with their customer, so they want to capture that installation address and put it on the estimate and or sales order report, and capture it in the system as well. So I've added this button here, and I kind of went off these these billing and shipping addresses that already exist here, so I made it look visually similar to this. I probably will eventually move it over to underneath the shipping address, but for testing purposes I've put it over here. I've used one of the address lookup fields here to be able to go ahead and capture that, and when you click update, it kind of saves it and parses it down and puts it in very similar to these addresses over here. So we can edit and update that. We can save this, and if we go back to this estimate 47 that has that address, you'll see that it loads up with that saved and in here already instead of the add button. And then if you go ahead and create a sales order with that address, it carries over. And if we go and look at a sales order that doesn't have an install address, we can also add an install address on this at this point as well if we wanted to, and that would save. And then again, if we look at sales order 25, now I didn't hit update, but I did hit save, so it should be good to load that up in the updated state. 25. Interesting. It loaded it in this state, so it'll be in that state when you look at it next time, I believe. Otherwise, I have to look at my code again. But yeah, there we go. Very interesting. I didn't know that if it was in the edit state, it would actually stay in the edit state. I think that's all I wanted to show. Oh, I did want to show one more thing. Estimates, installation address, and if you've followed along any of the other mods I did, here's some of the other stuff that I've added to this install address. It's getting a little busy, so I'm going to have to talk to the customer about this, but here's that added onto there, and I've stacked these up over here instead of across the bottom here like they were. So that's it. Thank you.